Get excited about the 2016 Ford Fusion. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.